Hello children, today we are going to do an activity that is word search, in which we will find out the names of Indian mathematicians who made remarkable contributions in the field of mathematics. इंडियन मैथमेटिशियंस के नेम्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे जिन्होंने मैथ्स में बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट किया, नई नई थ्योरीज फाइंड आउट की, नए नए फार्मूलेस फाइंड आउट किए. Here some clues are given to you and you have to find out the names of the mathematicians. The first one is, he was the one who acknowledged that any number divided by 0 is infinity and the sum of any number and infinity is also infinity. And the famous book Siddhanta Shiromani was written by him. इन्होंने बताया किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करें तो आंसर इन्फिनिटी होगा, और उन्होंने एक फेमस बुक लिखी थी सिद्धांता शिरोमणि. Who was he? Yes, he was Bhaskara. Now search, where is Bhaskara? Now the next clue is, he discovered the position of the 9 planets and found that these planets revolve around the sun. He also described the number of days in a year to be 365. He is called the father of Indian mathematics. Who was he? ये तो सभी जानते होंगे. Yes, आर्यभट्टा ने ही पोजीशन ऑफ 9 प्लैनेट्स बताई थी, नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर, और he was also called as the father of Indian mathematics. Now search, where is Aryabhatta? And the next clue is, the most important contribution to mathematics was introducing the concept and computing methods of zero. इन्होंने जीरो का कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. Who was he? Yes, he was Brahmagupta. Now search, where is Brahmagupta? The next clue is, National Mathematics Day is celebrated every year on December 22, honoring the birth anniversary of mathematical genius. He created a magic square based on his birth date. इनके बर्थडे पर हम नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, और उन्होंने अपनी बर्थडे पे बेस्ड एक मैजिक स्क्वायर भी बनाया था. Who was he? Yes, he was Ramanujan. Now search, where is Ramanujan? Now the next clue is, he is a well-known statistician. He is famous for his theory of estimation. ये एक वेल नोन स्टैटिस्टिशियन है और थ्योरी ऑफ एस्टिमेशन के लिए फेमस है. Who is he? Yes, he is C. Radhakrishna Rao or C.R. Rao. Now find, where is C.R. Rao? The next clue is, he was a recreational mathematician. He used to try to find short tricks to solve mathematical equations. He would spend hours solving mathematical puzzles and problems. ये एक रिक्रिएशनल मैथमेटिशियन थे और उन्हें मैथमेटिकल पजल्स को सॉल्व करना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Who was he? He was D.R. Kaprekar. Now find, where is D.R. Kaprekar? The next clue is, he is known for his collaboration with Albert Einstein. His famous contributions are Bose-Einstein's correlations. उन्होंने अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के साथ भी काम किया था. Who was he? Yes, he was Satyendranath Bose or S.N. Bose. Now search, where is S.N. Bose? Now the next clue is, he is the greatest surveyor in the world as he calculated the height of Mount Everest by trigonometrical leveling. इन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट की हाइट को कैलकुलेट किया था. Who is he? He is Radhanath Sikdar. Now search, where is R.N. Sikdar? Now the next clue is, she was an Indian mathematician, writer and mental calculator, popularly known as the human computer. इनकी कैलकुलेशंस कैलकुलेटर से भी फास्ट होती थी, इसीलिए इनको ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर भी कहा जाता है. Guess, who was she? इनकी बायोग्राफी पे एक मूवी भी बनी थी. She was Shakuntala Devi. Now search, where is Shakuntala Devi? Children, you should also study well. Practice math problems daily. Become an expert and give remarkable contributions in the field of mathematics. Just give a try. That's all for today. Bye bye.